Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp document and PDF not opening. So to fix that, first of all we should go to WhatsApp, open the app. After that, click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. After that, go to storage and data, and after that go to document, scroll down, go to document, and you have to be sure that this option is not set to never. You can put it to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular, it's better. And after that, the second thing that you should try is to send or to forward that document to one of your friends and tell him to send it to you again. Sometimes this solution may fix things like this. To forward it, you have to long press on it. After that, click on forward, and after that click on that forwarding icon, and you have to search for like someone in your contacts, or if you have another number with another WhatsApp, you can send it to yourself and send it back to that chat again. And the second solution or the third solution is to go to settings, and after that go and look for apps and look for WhatsApp, and be sure here that you are giving all the needed access to WhatsApp so he can handle things. So here, like, you should give full access in everything for it to complete like all the operations that you need for you. And if this also is not like working, you have to go to the to the App Store and be sure that you have a PDF and document reader on your phone. You have like normally in iPhones you have a default, like in the iPhone itself, usually this app preview is the PDF reader on your iPhone. If you couldn't find it, you have to go to the App Store and search for preview. Okay, this is the app in productivity. And if not, or if you don't want to use that app, you can just look for PDF reader and it will give you the Adobe Acrobat reader. It's like the best reader. You can install it. And usually after that, you can open any document or any PDF file on your phone from WhatsApp without any problem. I hope that you like this video. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.